No forecasts, no screens, yet ancient humans could often tell what tomorrow's sky would bring. How? They read the clouds. High wispy streaks meant change coming, low, piled, darkening towers meant a storm. They watched the horizon at dawn and dusk. A red morning sky warned of bad weather rolling in. They felt the wind and the air, a sudden shift, a heavy stillness, smoke pressed flat to the ground, all signs of a storm. Animals were living barometers, swallows flying low, ants sealing their nests, cattle lying down before rain. At night, a ring around the moon meant moisture high above, and rain within a day or two. None of it was magic, just patient attention to a sky that always tells you what's coming, if you know how to look. Read the sky, and you're never truly caught off guard. Next time, how they survived the killing cold of winter. Subscribe.